Hello there, this is ONNIE and welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me today. It's quite chilly and gloomy morning here in the countryside. We are about to say goodbye to a very colorful autumn foliage and getting ready to embrace the more colder months ahead. The days are getting shorter and people here in the countryside are busy storing and preserving foods for the winter. Life is becoming slow-paced here in the countryside of Korea. Today, me and my friend Rowena visited a very small village situated at the top of the mountain. And I was in awe seeing the beauty of the mountains and how the houses were built. Living here is just normal to wake up witnessing the beauty of God's creations. I felt that living here is seeing the different phases of the mountains during springtime, summertime, fall, and winter. For the houses were arranged and built on the top of the mountain, facing the other mountains. It is really a breathtaking sight. By the way, this village is called Hanok Maul. Hanok in Korean means Korean traditional house and Maul, which means village. As you can see, the houses look the same. And this is just a very small community. So join me, I will show you the place. Maybe you have already seen these houses in Korean historical movies or dramas, since Korean movies and dramas are getting popularity in the world nowadays. Coming from a tropical country, the Philippines, Hanok really amazes me in a way that its heating system is on the floor, which they call undol, which is a layer of stones they put on the flooring, spreading the heat in the other rooms of the house. Living in it myself, I felt warm during the cold seasons. And this explains why the older generations find it comfortable to sit and lie down on the floor, which I do myself. They say that Hanok is environmental friendly. All you can see are woods that made the pillars, doors, the window frames, the meru, which is an area we sit and receive guests, and the floors. The walls are made of dirt and straw, and the doors are covered by paper, which is made from tree pulps. What about you? Do you like to live in a Korean traditional house? If you want to visit Korea, I suggest instead of having hotel accommodations, try staying in some Hanok pension houses and have some personal experience of it. What attracted me the most in a Korean traditional house is the roof. I find it very artistic. As I had my stroll in the small village, I could feel peace and being in tune with nature, grateful for this chance to come to this place. But I also asked myself, would it be alright to live in here? And my answer is, maybe if I am to spend a vacation here, I will. But to live in here, I think the answer is no. I still prefer to live in an area closer to nature and yet closer to small grocery stores, hospitals, banks, and other agencies. But I guess there are some people who likes the tranquility and quietness, being free from the noise of the cars. What about you, my friends? It is time to say goodbye. I hope you like this video. And for those who like this kind of video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Also hit notification bell for you to be notified of my next video. I will see you soon, my friends. This is ONNIE wishing each and everyone happiness and a blissful days ahead. Bye everyone. 사랑합니다. 안녕.